Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Emma, and today I'm so excited to get into the Halloween spirit. My son and I are going to be drawing and coloring some fun Halloween pictures. It was so much fun seeing my son get creative using different shapes to make his pumpkins come alive. Grab your crayons, markers, and whatever you like to draw with, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the new weekly uploads. Now let's get started on our Halloween masterpiece. See, we're gonna draw some funny pumpkins, right?
I should draw orange first.
Yeah, you're gonna use orange markers first. And at the same time, I'm going to draw a spider web on the corner. But you're gonna draw some funny pumpkins right here, okay?
How to draw screw? How to draw a heart shape?
You wanna draw a heart-shaped pumpkin?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
How to draw different one?
Yeah.
I
Draw any shape you want. They are funny pumpkins. So I'm just gonna here draw some straight lines.
Is this a heart shape?
That's not a heart shape, baby.
Is it a diamond?
Yeah, it looks like a diamond shape.
How to draw diamond?
Diamond shape. And you're gonna shade in the colors. You're gonna shade it all in, and then we're gonna use black markers to draw the funny face, okay? Yeah, you're gonna shade it all in.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
No. You're gonna shade it in first, and then use the black marker.
Oh, she did it? Okay.
Yeah, shade it all in.
You do the black box and you draw the baby eyes.
Yep, and then use the black markers, alright? And on my side, I'm just gonna draw some wavy lines for the spider web.
Like this?
Yep, you shade it all in and don't leave any blank spaces here. Just fill it all in and then you're gonna draw. Remember?
Eyes?
Yeah, but are you going to draw like a surprise face or funny face or angry face?
And happy face.
You wanna draw a happy face? Sure, go ahead.
Maybe sad face.
That's my spider web. Oh, that is a sad face or what?
Sad face.
Oh no, sad face. Yep, you're gonna fill in the black, the mouth, okay? So it's like, is this pumpkin crying?
Yeah, it's weird. I made it cry.
Maybe. That's alright. And are you going to use green to draw some leaves for the pumpkin?
Lovely.
You can draw some leaves at the top of the pumpkin.
Okay, how two leaves?
2 leaves, that's alright.
Is this a leaf?
Yep, that looks like a leaf. You're gonna shade it in, okay?
Another leaf.
Another leaf, yes. Wow, this one looks like a carrot. That's okay, it looks pretty good. And okay, so draw another pumpkin. And this time, what shape will that pumpkin be?
Heart.
Yep, okay. Let's do a heart shape then.
Oh, heart.
Wow. Heart-shaped pumpkin, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Shade it in. Yep, shade it in with
That'll be
orange.
a big draw.
Okay, so from the end of the spider web, I'm gonna draw a straight line that goes down. And
Mom, is there will be a big drop over the heart? Big drop. Like this?
I'm gonna fill it all in, okay? I can help you if you want. I think you got this. Got a itsy bitsy spider over here.
Like this?
That's pretty good. I'm just gonna use another marker to
Do the regular eyes?
You're gonna draw. What face are you going to draw?
Angry.
Angry face. That's a good idea.
Maybe lovely face.
Lovely face.
Yeah. Lovely face like.
You can do it however you want. Like lovely face, I would do.
Maybe I'll not draw lovely face. I'll draw angry. Okay?
Yeah, because you got a sad face there, and then you can draw an angry face right there. It's cool.
How to draw angry? Like this. And like this. Yeah. Yeah. How to draw the eyes?
The eyes will be...
Yes. See the end?
Yeah, I think that looks pretty angry to me. Oh, wow.
Does it leave on top?
Very angry. That looks very angry. Yeah, draw another one, maybe right here.
Yeah.
What shape is it gonna be this time?
Two squares on the top. Each square is on top.
A square?
And a square is on top. Two squares.
Two squares on top of each other. One larger square at the bottom and smaller square at the top.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Like this.
Okay, make sure you have enough room and don't touch my spider, okay? You're gonna draw a tiny square maybe at the top. And don't touch the web.
This is a tiny square.
That is a tiny square.
Hey, I want to draw a happy face.
Now draw a happy face. Oh, don't forget to shade it in first.
Oh.
That's right.
It's this big chocolate. Is this big?
And make sure it doesn't go out of the square, okay?
Oopsie. Okay, now?
Yep, and the top as well.
I would say it's okay the bottom.
Yep, okay, the bottom looks okay. Is the bottom okay? Is the bottom okay?
Is the bottom okay?
Yeah, the bottom looks quite okay. There. Okay, now you can draw. What did you say? What face did you want? A happy face? Or what? I forgot what you said.
Happy face.
Okay, cool. Give it a happy face then.
The black one?
Yeah, use a black marker and draw a happy face. Yay.
On the top?
You can draw like, are these two pumpkins or one pumpkin?
Two pockets.
Okay, so you're gonna draw two faces. One for the top and one for the bottom. Wow, a big smile. Oh, wow. A big laugh actually. And happy eyes.
This one will be like this.
Oh, the eyes will be like this for the top one.
The bottom will be this. The bottom will be like this.
The bottom will be like this.
Yeah.
Oh, the biggest laugh ever.
Yeah. Okay.
That's so cute. That looks like you.
The different one because she's laughing. She's laughing.
And they're both laughing.
No, she's smiling this.
He's smiling and he's laughing.
And she's laughing.
Got it.
You're a silly guy.
You're a silly guy.
Yes, I'm gonna leave.
Yep. We're gonna maybe draw just a tiny bit right there.
Don't worry. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Actually,
You got it.
so which one goes now?
Are we going to draw some ghosts?
Ghosts?
Yeah, if you want to draw some ghosts.
Of course. Ghosts will be wet. See?
No, I will use black markers to draw ghosts. So I'll go first, okay?
Okay.
I'll draw the big ghost and you will draw a smaller ghost. Is that okay?
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna start with a curved line that goes like this. And then at the bottom, I'm just gonna draw some wavy lines. It looks like a jellyfish actually.
And I can live this color.
You're gonna use black as well. So look, I'm going to add two ovals for the eyes and another oval for the mouth. It's like, woo! Alright, so you're gonna draw a smaller ghost
Smaller
next to the big
ghost.
ghost.
Oh, oopsie.
That's all right. Keep going. Wow, that's so small. Has wavy lines at the bottom, just like a jellyfish. You got it. And then oval, oval, oval. You got it. Yours does look like a jellyfish.
Look, Mom is coming to the baby next one.
Oh, the mom is coming to get the baby.
Yes, he's swimming. Ooh, that's fun.
The baby says that's fun.
Yes, ooh, that's fun. I like the scary packets.
You wanna draw a bat? I'm gonna start.
No.
You don't wanna draw a bat?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna start. Maybe it feels kind of empty here. I think we might need another pumpkin over here. What do you think? It's like this side is kind of empty.
Empty.
Maybe we need another pumpkin right there. What do you
Let's
think?
talk it. Maybe. You guess. It has to go.
Okay, go for it. You are very creative, dude.
Go. 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 See that?
That's pretty cool.
So just broke this. So the mouse just broke the pumpkin. The mouse just broke the has to go pumpkin. It is made of
Did you mean that the mouse bit the pumpkin?
yeah. No, she broke the pumpkin.
What do you mean broke?
Broke this boom 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 boom. He fell in it. He didn't see him way. He just see backward. He just and he fell in the pumpkin. That's what happens.
It fell in the pumpkin?
Yeah,
But how? Why is there a hole on the pumpkin?
because the mouse just fell in there.
Does this look like a bat? Oh, I know what I'm missing. The triangle ears. That looks more like a bat.
Surprise. That'd be surprise.
Surprise face, you mean?
Yeah. So, this one could have no leaves.
Okay. This one will have no leaves.
Because this was way tiny. So she have no leaves.
Oh, a surprise face. I think it looks quite good, man.
So we could do a baby bat.
Okay, you can draw a baby bat. Go for it. You can use this black marker. Look. We got a circle and then an oval and then two wings right there.
Okay. Oh, I can't draw a baby one. I only draw a daddy one.
Okay, draw big ones, okay too. It's quite difficult with these markers to draw a small one because the markers are quite. What are you drawing? Are you drawing the wings?
No, I draw the ears.
Oh, the ears! Oh my gosh, this is a big bat. This is a huge bat with a huge head. And you're gonna draw the eyes, and then you're gonna shade in the face. Make sure you leave some space for the eyes, okay? Ooh, that's one scary eye. Ooh, I like how it turned out. That is very scary. Yes, I like it. Oh my gosh, yours is so much better than mine. Yep, you got it. Wow. Wow. Big wings. Big bat wings. You got it.
Those are the strong wings.
These are the bat wings.
Those are way. He's very powerful.
That's a powerful bat.
Yeah, that's a powerful bat.
That's cool.
But they are friends. They don't fight.
They don't fight, they're friends.
Yeah.
Okay, shade it in for the rest of the wings.
Zombie don't fight. Only people is zombie fight. Doesn't that say zombies?
Zombies don't fight. Zombies fight with people.
Yeah. Zombie don't fight with those.
Oh, zombies don't fight the pumpkins.
Yeah. Because let's do the Halloween stuff.
You're gonna shade in the rest of the wings, Theo.
Hey, it's green?
You use the green to shade in the rest of the bat wing?
Yeah.
Okay.
How about I just draw some legs? How about I do some tiny legs, okay?
Do whatever you want to.
I'll just draw legs. Legs. I'll just draw some legs, you see? I'll draw some legs.
That's so cute.
You put on the pumpkin, you sit on the pumpkin, stand on the pumpkin. It's fun.
stand on the pumpkin is fun. So
But I don't
oh,
want to
I
jump.
see, Theo. He's preparing to land on the pumpkin. He's like, I'm landing on this pumpkin.
Then she see, ooh, that's a nice pumpkin. I'll just go see this pumpkin.
Oh, that's a nice pumpkin. I like to see this pumpkin. That's a good idea. All right, cool. What else do we need? I think we're done. What do you think?
Why do you change colors?
Because the white doesn't go on, so try to use a different color, but still it doesn't go on very well. So I think next time when we draw a spider, we need to leave the space for the eyes first, and then we'll shade in the rest of the spider. Lesson learned. We'll do better next time. The most important is to have fun and practice. Okay? Alright, we did it! Give me 5! Yay! Thanks for drawing with us. I hope you guys have fun drawing, and if you want to add some personal elements to your drawing, that will be great. And if you like, please send your art to emmaarttime@gmail.com. We would love to see what you created. I'll see you next time.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.